BALAJI Plast Pack heartily welcomes you to visit our video. The company, known as one of the top manufacturer and exporter of all type pouch packaging machinery. The company manufacturing unit is in RAJKOT, Gujarat, India. The formerly known as BALAJI Enterprise was established in the year 1999. This machine is multi-head pouch packing machine. Filling capacity is 10 grams to 1000 grams. Weight capacity depending upon your product. It's also available in 10, 14 and 18 head. Film sizes 100 mm to 500 mm, width X 100 mm to 300 mm length. Film roll type is HC label laminated film. Machine speed is approximately 3,600 pouches per hour. Machine needed 3 kW 230V single-phase 50 Hz frequency. Machine weight is approximately 2 tons. We are giving a new dimension in multi-head machine. FASTEX packing machine provide low-cost, high-gain, high-speed and efficiency. Both of the vertical form fill seal, VFFS, machines come with famous brand PLC control system and large touch screen, and are thus easy to operate. The vertical packaging machine makes use of film drawing down system and horizontal sealing controlled by servo motor/pneumatic. Mulet language menu in touch screen. All food contacted surface is made of stainless steel. All parts are enclosed to prevent product buildup. Waterproof and dust-proof construction. Speed adjustment of hopper movement by stepper motor, no air consumption. High accuracy load cell for weight calculation. Automatic opening, closing weigh bucket speed adjustment, minimizes product damage. Stainless steel product contact points. 50 program product memory. As to the way of bag making, the VFFS machine can make pillow type bags and stand-up bags as per customer needs. Approval of model under the Legal Metrology, Weight and Measurement Department, Government of India, available in stocks with spares and service support across India. For any query please contact at +91 98255 06570. Email is info@balajiplastpack.com. Thank you from BALAJI Plast Pack.